Jai Gurudev. Yesterday in Spandakarika, Gurudev was talking about God vibration. If you want to experience God vibration, then you have to be a devotee. Why? Because in devotion, the vibration of love manifests, and that comes from your heart. If your heart has blossomed, then in the journey of moving from head to the heart, if you have the vibrations in the mind are a little gross, the vibrations in the heart are more subtle. Even in heart there are layers of vibrations like fear, hatred, love. Only one can exist at a time, and that is when you get close to the God vibration. In the mind, the vibrations are still gross, the thought vibrations are a little more gross. But if you want to get closer to the God vibrations, then be a devotee.